Today, we will talk about how to clean patio furniture cushions and canvas. Let's have a look at the details. Outdoor cushions, pillows, canopies, and umbrellas make patios and poolsides beautiful and comfortable. Unfortunately, they take lots of abuse from outdoor weather and dirty feet, and they need to be cleaned often to remove dirt and stains. How often to clean? Don't allow stains to wait for summer to end before you treat them. The type of stain remover you need depends upon the specific stain. A good overall cleaner is the Carbona Pro Care Oxy-powered outdoor cleaner. The foaming action and built-in scrub brush are perfect for outdoor fabrics. The key to success is giving the treatment time to work. No product is magic. Allow it at least 30 minutes to penetrate to loosen the stains. While you are cleaning the cushions, don't forget to give metal, plastic, and rattan furniture a proper cleaning. Remove grass stains. First, pre-treat the stain with a heavy-duty liquid detergent that contains stain-removing enzymes. Work the detergent into the stained area with a soft brush. Rinse well. Remove tree sap. This method of removal is special because tree sap stains require extra care. Start by treating the oily, waxy component of the stain with an enzyme-based stain remover or heavy-duty detergent that will break apart the oil. Let sit for 15 minutes. Add a bit of heavy-duty liquid detergent or a paste made of powdered detergent and water. Scrub the stain lightly with a soft bristled brush and rinse in hot water. Wash the entire piece in the hottest water suitable for the fabric, using detergent and oxygen bleach to remove any discoloration. Remove mildew. Mildew is a living, growing organism that can attach to cellulosic, cotton or linen fibers. Mildew eats the fibers, damaging and weakening the fabric, and should be removed as soon as possible after it is discovered. It is even more active if there are food stains like watermelon or other fruit stains on the fabrics. First, shake or brush the item outdoors to prevent spreading the mildew inside your home. Pre-treat the stains with a heavy-duty liquid detergent, working it in with a soft bristled brush. Then launder the fabric in the hottest water suitable for the material. Place the fabric in the sun to dry. Remove sunscreen. Pre-treat the stain with heavy-duty liquid detergent, or make a paste with powdered detergent water, and let this remain on the fabric for at least 30 minutes. Launder as usual. Fabric stained with self-tanner will need additional treatment. Remove bird droppings. When a bird soils fabric, it will be easier to address the problem if you allow the droppings to dry. After the dropping is dry, use a stiff bristled brush to remove the dried residue. If you must remove the wet droppings right away, use an old dull knife or the edge of a credit card to lift away the solids. Wash outdoor cushions. For items that can go in the washer, once the pre-treating is complete, use a heavy-duty detergent in cold or warm water, unless mildew is present. Do not place the fabric in a hot dryer, because that may cause shrinkage. Allow the pieces to air dry. Use a cool to medium iron to smooth wrinkles if needed. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.